Hey, what's up fellas, it's mechanic mode, and today I decided to show you how to drain oil from a 2015 Range Rover Sport supercharging engine. This is gonna be a very short video about Range Rover, which is I'm gonna explain how to drain the engine oil without messing everything around, which this car, I don't know the manufacturer how they did, and they did not think about when you drain the oil, it's literally it's going to mess everything around. I'm not talking about only about the engine and the cross member, but about like on the floor is gonna be everything in oil. You're gonna mess everything. And I've been looking in the internet how to drain this oil, and I couldn't find the right decision, which is very quick and easy to do without buying any tools, any hoses, anything. It's obviously very simple, like I did right now, which you put a piece of plastic and you tie it up a ziplock. You're using it. I just did already, which I'm not gonna take everything apart and show you how I did, because it's a lot of things. So actually I started to drain the oil already. So as you see, I'm gonna demonstrate right here. It's simple and it looks really like silly, but it is what it is. At least I'm not messing everything around. So right here I'm gonna take the cap out. That's it. That way you just literally kind of stopping the oil which is coming with pressure out of oil pan. It stops in the plastic. At the same time it drains. It goes down right in the oil tank. So this is a very common problem from Range Rover, but like I said, if you want to do everything clean without messing anything around, you just do it this way. Put a plastic, which is easy and quick. That was my idea how to drain oil from 2015 Range Rover Sport 5.0 supercharged engine. And you can write below in the comments what do you think about this idea. It's very easy way to drain the oil, and it's very simple and it's silly at the same time, but it is what it is. I drained my oil. Did you drain your oil or not yet? Go put the plastic and drain your oil without messing anything around. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode. See you next time. Bye.